Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you a super easy way to make your logo transparent in Canva so you can use it anywhere on photos, videos, merch, or social media posts. Let's jump right in. So you've designed your logo in Canva and now you want to remove that background. Maybe you want to overlay it on different designs or make it look clean and professional. The good news is Canva makes this process really simple. First, open your logo design in Canva. Once you're happy with the final look, head up to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. Now, here's the important part. Under File Type, select PNG. This format supports transparent backgrounds, which is exactly what we need. Once you've selected PNG, you'll notice a small checkbox that says Transparent Background. Go ahead and click that. Keep in mind, this feature is available for Canva Pro users. If you're on the free version, you'll see the option grayed out, but you can always use the 30-day free trial to try it out. After that, simply click Download and Canva will export your logo with no background at all. That means you can now place it over any color, texture, or image, and it'll look perfectly clean every single time. This trick is perfect for creating watermarks, adding your logo to thumbnails, or making branded graphics that look super professional without any messy white boxes behind them. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've got a transparent logo ready to use anywhere you want. If you found this helpful, make sure to try it out right after watching. It takes less than a minute. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.